Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Tony's Customs. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Tony's Customs. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Tony's Customs. It does appear that they do provide some pictures with the items as well, so that's helpful. So first off, it looks like we have here an A2 Standard AR-15 Handguard green. Let's go ahead and get this open. See here, it's got that kind of olive drab look, heat shields, and plastic wrap together. I'm not going to bother cutting that right now, but you can see the heat shields are actually inside there. So A2 Standard AR-15 Handguard green. Next up will be this item here, C.A.R stock green. So let's see, we can slice that right there. All right. So also olive drab. You see there the buffer. Does have our tube, castle nut, receiver end plate, buffer, and then we'll have to figure out which one of these springs, obviously the shorter one. So for you out there, you can notice the difference between setups. So the carbine C.A.R, C.A.R stock with the sling loop on the top and in the middle there, that style, and this pattern on the sides. Okay, next up will be this, the A2 Buttstock Complete Green Block Options A-Frame. So when you order this particular item, there are some sub options. Oh, very nice. So you can see this is green as well. We have the trapdoor, a butt plate, looks like. See that there. There's a sling loop. That also is a little bit olive as well. And here we have our tube. And then likewise, we have a buffer and spring. So let's see if we can lay these out a little bit better here. So working our way backwards, sort of, we have A2 style buttstock in green, C.A.R stock also in green. Both are complete sets with the tubes, springs, buffer weights, and we started off with an A2 handguard in green. And these all came from Tony's Customs, so feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Tony's Customs. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.